DJI has revolutionized the world of photography with its drone and handheld camera devices. Not only that, it produces outstanding gimbals in addition to its popular consumer drones. The Pocket series is a great example. DJI originally released the Pocket in 2018 and it was a huge bump for vloggers. And DJI continued the generation with Pocket 2 in 2020. Since that, users have been wondering about the Pocket 3 and when it will hit the market. According to a leaked DJI product roadmap, the Pocket 3 might just come this year. In our video today, we're going to discuss its release date and possible specifications. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Starting with the release date, a DJI insider known as Deals Drone posted what appears to be a leaked document that reveals DJI's upcoming product in 2022. According to the image, the DJI Pocket 3 might hit the market in November 2022. That said, we don't know how reliable the leak is, but it seems like it's accurately predicted DJI's upcoming products like DJI Mini 3, RS3 and RS-C3. Also, the Inspire 3 is expected to arrive in September 2022. Let's talk about its features and specs. So, the Pocket 2 came with a 1x1.17-inch CMOS sensor, which isn't bad while capturing photos and videos, but still, nothing is absolute when it's all about the camera performance. In low light, you had to push the ISO to 6000 to get a decent picture. However, with the upcoming DJI Pocket 3, we're hoping to see a bigger sensor compared to the previous model. We might get a 1-inch CMOS sensor just like the Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition, and that would be great to have a 1-inch sensor inside it. Also, it's expected that the Pocket 3 is likely to come with improved 10-bit color depth and HDR. In terms of design, the DJI Pocket 2 is amazing. It's compact, sleek, and looks premium, but it's not waterproof. One of the best reasons to choose an action camera like GoPro or DJI Action is their inherent waterproofing. So we hope DJI will find a way to make the upcoming Pocket 3 waterproof. Besides that, a mic jack that can connect to a third-party mic would be a great addition to the Pocket 3. It will give the users a better audio recording experience, so yes, we would love to see a mic port. Moreover, it'd be great if DJI provides a better cooling system because the Pocket 2 heats up while recording at high quality. Also, a faster CPU produces more heat, so in the Pocket 3, we might get an even faster CPU and better heat management, which is very necessary. Another important thing is that the most recent action cameras come with a modular design to let the users unlock new possibilities. Also, modular design gives the flexibility to remove and replace any faulty part instead of buying the whole product again. Anyway, the DJI Pocket 2 can last for up to 2 hours depending on how roughly you use it, which isn't bad but also not that impressive. So, a swappable battery would be a great addition for uninterrupted recording. Furthermore, it's also expected to have an upgraded app with a fast wireless connection. In short, there are a lot of features expected from the upcoming DJI Pocket 3. If everything goes well, according to DJI's product lineup, we might be able to see it this year. So what do you think? What new features do you expect from the upcoming Pocket 3? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.